Hi guys, welcome back to the channel. That's one of the new buses that just came into the island. When was it? This month, November. They were rolled out in November. One of the 6 new buses. Very nice buses, and from what we've heard, they are performing perfectly, no issues. Now, a storm is passing over Jamaica, so that's why the weather looks like this. And we are driving through halfway through now to see what's going on. There was heavy rain last night in Jamaica, and the rain is expected to continue today into tomorrow. By 7 o'clock Sunday, the main part of the storm would have passed Jamaica. So today schools are closed. Today is Friday, and schools are closed because of the weather. And you can see halfway through, which is the busiest place in Jamaica, it's not so busy today. There's another bus. To the right of us is the halfway tree transport center. So this is where the buses, this is the hub for the buses. This is where they start their route and end their route back here. So you're going to see a lot of buses in this area. So we'll be giving you updates on the weather throughout the day and tomorrow. And that transport center is a halfway tree transport center. It's a very nice facility. I've always said every parish in Jamaica needs a bus center like that. And connect them, have buses running the routes. We're gonna go this way. Like, for instance, let's take St. Anne's Bay. St. Anne's Bay should have a bus center like that, and there should be a bus service from Kingston to St. Anne's Bay that stops in every town center along the way. They need a route like that. Yes, they don't have the buses now. That's another one of the new buses over there on the left. They don't have the buses now, but they will come. A lot of buses are coming next year. An announcement should be made sometime in December as to how many, but a lot of buses are coming. So guys, let us know what you think. Do you think every parish should have, every capital at least of the parish should have a bus center like what they have at Halfway Tree Transport Center? We're going to drive around and give you a better view of it. And downtown Kingston needs a bus center like that. They need it. What they have now for the rural buses is, it works, but it's not something you expect to find in 2023. Not for a country that's progressing like Jamaica. The infrastructure that's being put into this country, you've never seen this kind of development before. Never, not all at once. Everywhere you look, you see buildings going up, hotels going up, highways, police stations being built. Look at all these fire stations. We need bus parks. The bus is the main way for people to move around. I mean, look at our train stations. They are so old that they are historic sites built over 200 years ago. This is the Halfway Tree Transport Center. Wonderful building, well done. This is what we need in every parish capital, with them connected with a bus service. We're going to let this bus out so that we can take a tour of it. Yep, this is one of the new ones. It's the year 2023. Can you imagine we have the trains don't run now. They stopped in 1992. But let's take the Old Harbour train station. The old Harbour train station, built in the 1800s, it's still there. Nothing has been done to the building since 1800. Are we good? The same thing is happening with the bus parks, as they call them now, with the exception of this one. They're just there. We need to improve them. We need to build new ones. Not saying to tear down the train stations, but the train has to run again in Jamaica. There is no way around it. And you need modern train stations. Leave the others for historic sites if you want. But we need the train to run again. Jamaica is progressing, as we said. The largest population in Jamaica is Kingston, St. Andrew, and Portmore. Kingston, Spanish Town, and Portmore. Almost half the population of Jamaica lives there. Now you have massive developments going on in Negril, Montego Bay, Trelawney, St. Anne. Guess what? It's going to be a matter of time before we're not going to have people to work in these projects, these hotels. You're going to have to bring people from Kingston, Spanish Town, and Portmore to every end of the island to work, because that is the kind of progress going on in Jamaica. And the buses cannot do it. We need the trains. You're supposed to be able to get on a train at 7 o'clock in Spanish Town and reach St. Anne by 7:30, 7:45. Go to work and come back if you so desire. That is what Jamaica needs. But for now, because it's going to take billions to set back up the trains. Right now we have the buses, the roads are being upgraded, so we need more modern bus parks built all over Jamaica, every parish, and we need to connect them via a bus service, and a bus service that runs on a schedule, a proper alright, let's leave that one alone. But yes, guys, let me know what you think. Let me know what you think about building this kind of bus park. And guess what? The land is there already. There are bus parks. We just have to upgrade them. And it's not like you charge people to use the bus park and make back the money. Alright guys, let us know what you think. You can leave your comments in the section below. Alright guys, have a good day.